Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore an exciting opportunity for music enthusiasts, offering online music lessons. If you have a passion for playing a musical instrument and want to share your knowledge and skills with others, this video is for you. We'll discuss how you can offer online music lessons for various instruments and help aspiring musicians learn and grow. So, let's dive right in. Introduction to online music lessons. Online music lessons have become increasingly popular, providing a convenient and accessible way for individuals to learn to play musical instruments. As a music teacher, you have the opportunity to connect with students from around the world and guide them on their musical journey. Whether it's piano, guitar, violin, or any other instrument, you can share your expertise and help aspiring musicians develop their skills. Assess your musical skills and expertise. The first step in offering online music lessons is to assess your musical skills and expertise. Reflect on your own musical journey and proficiency in playing an instrument. Consider your experience, training, and any certifications or degrees you hold in music. Identify the instruments you're most skilled in and passionate about teaching. This will help you position yourself as an expert and attract students seeking your guidance. Choose the right online platform. Choosing the right online platform is crucial for delivering effective music lessons. Explore various options like Zoom, Skype, or dedicated music lesson platforms that offer features like screen sharing and high-quality audio. Evaluate the platform's ease of use, stability, and accessibility for both you and your students. Consider additional tools like notation software or virtual sheet music libraries to enhance the learning experience. Define your lesson offerings. Defining your lesson offerings is essential for attracting students and meeting their needs. Determine the types of music lessons you'll provide, such as beginner lessons, advanced techniques, music theory, or specific genres. Consider whether you'll offer individual or group lessons and the duration of each session. Tailor your offerings to cater to different age groups, skill levels, and musical interests. Market your services and find students. Effectively marketing your online music lessons is crucial for finding students and growing your teaching business. Create a professional website or landing page that showcases your musical background, teaching philosophy, and testimonials from satisfied students. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube to share your musical expertise, offer tips, and engage with potential students. Collaborate with local music schools or community centers to reach a wider audience. Provide engaging and personalized lessons. Providing engaging and personalized lessons is key to keeping students motivated and inspired. Customize your lessons based on each student's goals, learning style, and musical preferences. Incorporate a variety of teaching methods, including visual demonstrations, interactive exercises, and practical applications. Offer constructive feedback, encouragement, and personalized practice plans to help students progress and reach their musical goals. Closing. Offering online music lessons allows you to share your passion for music and inspire others to pursue their musical dreams. By assessing your musical skills, choosing the right online platform, defining your lesson offerings, marketing your services effectively, and providing engaging and personalized lessons, you can build a successful online music teaching business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.